everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to put together a venison spaghetti. Here is a list of the ingredients.
My head over water for the first time in years.
In my bowl I have venison burger. Into that I'm going to add some venison sausage. Now with the sausage we have all types of herbs and spices already added to it, so we're not going to need to add very many more seasonings to this. I have 1 packet of onion recipe seasoning that I will be adding to the mix. And we're going to get that well incorporated in there. So we're just going to get it well incorporated, and then we're going to take this to the stove. To our cast iron skillet, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic and herb butter. We're going to get our meat in the pan, and we're going to go ahead and get it all scrambled up.
Now things are moving along, and I'm picking up speed. I'm singing my own songs and making ends meet. But good enough ain't good nor enough when going for gold and things can...
We're going to go ahead and give our meat a taste before we start adding more flavors. Our vegetables that we liquefied, we're going to go ahead and get those in there. And this just going to intensify those flavors. Now I'm going to add my mushroom steak sauce. This is going to bring moisture and creaminess to your meat. Now in this bowl I have 2 cans of stewed tomato, and I'm going to take those and I'm going to crush those up into my meat. Yes, you can use a food processor, but I like to have control of the chunks that I have in there. Everything's coming together. To that, we're going to go ahead and add 1 16-ounce can of pasta sauce. We're going to transfer our sauce into our Dutch oven, and we're going to add a few more seasonings, and then we're going to let this simmer for about 30 minutes. Here I'm adding a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. And not only does it add another layer of flavor, it also helps our sauce thicken up a bit. I want to thank you for hanging out with me today, and if you have been enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave me a comment, and share. Okay, we're going to go ahead and let this finish up, and we're going to let it simmer for 30 minutes, and when we come back, we're going to plate it up. I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel this far, and if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of the team.